How do I connect my non-smart TV to the internet?
Hello and welcome to our guide on how to connect your non-smart TV to the internet. We understand that not everyone has a smart TV and might want to access the internet on their TV. In this video, we will walk you through the process.
What do you need?
Before we start, you need to make sure you have a few things ready. Non-smart TV with HDMI port, internet connection, a device to help connect your TV to the internet. This could be a streaming device like a Roku, Amazon Fire Stick, or Google Chromecast, games console like a PS4, PS5, Xbox One, or Xbox Series 10, laptop with an HDMI port.
How to use a streaming device?
A streaming device is one of the simplest ways to connect your TV to the internet. Here's how. 1. Plug the streaming device into your TV's HDMI port. 2. Connect the device to your home Wi-Fi network. 3. After that, you can use the interface on the device to access online content on your TV. Remember, each device has a different setup process, so consult the device's manual for specific instructions.
How to use a games console?
If you have a games console, you can use it to connect your TV to the internet. 1. Connect your console to your TV using an HDMI cable. 2. Connect your console to the internet by going to the settings menu and choosing the Wi-Fi network you want to connect to. You can then access internet content through the console's interface.
How to connect via laptop?
Connecting through a laptop is a viable option too. Here's how. 1. Connect your laptop to your TV using an HDMI cable. 2. On your laptop, go to the display settings and choose to extend or duplicate your screen onto the TV. 3. Now, anything you access on your laptop's internet browser can be displayed on your TV. That's it. We hope this guide helps you connect your non-smart TV to the internet. Whether you're using a streaming device, games console, or a laptop, you're just a few steps away from enjoying internet content on your big screen. Happy watching!